Oh, I'm going to multi-tap.
I was gonna fucking translate that, but what the fuck ever. We're playing Transformers Armada some more. Now you may be asking yourself, why Transformers? And that's a good question. Tyler, why the fuck we're playing Transformers?
You wanted to.
Yes, that's the answer.
I wanted to play Jack and get you to play Jack.
Fuck you, this was like $2.
Yeah.
And are you really saying that your life isn't marginally improved by the ragdoll?
Well, yeah, it is. I really like the ragdoll. It's pretty good.
I'm playing Optimus Stein.
Oh, why'd you pick Optimus with his butt vents? Is he like the best for this boss or something?
I'm gonna be fighting a literal fucking army. As such, I would very much prefer not to be a little pussy baby. So that's why I chose Optimus.
Fair enough. Chosen the fucking big boy. Oh, the wings do not look right on up. They're way too small.
Because Optimus is a chunky boy.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds fun.
Fuck!
No, 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 no! Oh.
Oh. There's that little kid like freaking out in the drowning water and then realizing it's actually really shallow.
Yeah. Oh, you can just drive from island to island. Fuck Optimus is slow.
Christ, I thought when I had the Power Links purple ones, it would fucking give me some more health, but apparently not.
Do they give you like different bonuses, or do they all give you different amounts of health?
They give you different amounts based on how rare they are.
Oh, yeah.
So like yellows and purples are fairly rare. Well, you can tell we got like a bazillion blues, greens, and reds. That's what's the thing we did off camera. We collected a bunch of the mini-cons.
Yeah.
We may make that into an episode if Tyler can be bothered editing together. If he can't, well, blame him.
Could just dump it on the channel.
Call it a podcast.
Remove all the audio and call it a podcast.
Oh, those are literally missiles.
Remove all the video. What is he shooting at? Like,
Well,
I would assume you, but you're not blowing up. Right now.
Okay, good.
Something about Optimus's landing there that was very just like...
Sir, from here you can glide to the warship. Access the hangar bay via the hydraulic elevators located...
Thank you, Red Alert.
Do you copy? Will do.
Hey, what this fucking... What do you expect's gonna happen? Is Optimus gonna talk to himself?
No, I know, but Red Alert's just like, sir, from here you can get onto the boat and then kill some
Sir,
fucks."
quit being a pussy. What?
Sir, did you know you can fly?
No, I can't. I'm an Autobot.
Autobots can't fly. That's crazy
Oh,
talk.
fuck. That was close.
Red Alert. Autobots can't fly. That's crazy. Idiot. Oh, hey. Warships. It's gonna like bump you out of the sky.
Oh, fuck. Optimus is coming. Run!
They have a big Decepticon with a landing bays. What the fuck is this?
What?
What laser are you using?
This purple one you like.
Oh wait, this is the arc gun? I didn't know. I didn't think it was green.
Yeah, remember the fucking coloring was like... So it's really good with this because you have a bunch of people crowding around like this. That's why I'm also
What's that second gun you use?
That's a Claymore.
Oh, that's the cluster bomb?
No, literally a Claymore. Cluster bomb's something different. Basically, this is just a better version.
This is just a huge rocket. Fuck, Optimus is a beast, eh? Smooth.
Fuck off.
Oh, that got him. Come on, Nick, taking out flying enemies with that is easy. I showed you.
Where the fuck do I go?
Oh! Nowhere.
Cinematic.
Ooh.
Sup, fuckers?
Excuse me! Oh my god! The only thing that would have made that better is if Optimus's horn was the fucking...
It's like does it in super like blurry fucking motion.
Optimus is making the noises himself.
Oh hey look. Fuck, whatever, I'll do it this way.
Wee.
Sup fuckers? Fuck!
Oh
Oh god! fucking kill me. Are you serious?
Get fucked. As you're gearing up to be a badass, you're like, oh, check this out. Sup, fuckers? Boing.
I'm sorry, I didn't think that Optimus, like, 5-ton truck will get fucked over by a bunch of... This is great and all, but I also don't want to be right on top of these when this happens, so... God, I love Cluster.
You have another charge of it. You're out of beam. Stop firing. That doesn't work. Optimus's melees.
You don't give a fuck. He was gonna...
I love Optimus.
I'm trying to figure out how the hell
You
I
didn't
go.
get all the health pickups.
Fuck it. Optimus don't need those.
Yeah, he does. He's hurt.
This looks kind of like normal elevator music.
Autobots roll out. Kill these Decepticons. It's got Caleb screaming for the
I fucking consistently headbutt them.
You are not doing any damage these days. Why
Ow,
are you so
fuck.
tanky?
What the fuck did he shoot at me?
I don't know.
Fuck off.
That did not do anything.
Oh, they have fucking grenades.
You didn't phase him at all.
Fucking die already.
What the fuck? There. I think you need to shoot like around them. I think just shooting at them does nothing.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, that's one of the EMP dudes.
Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off.
That's his EMP attack.
Fuck! I forgot to do this.
He just throws you down the hole.
Fuck off.
I wish you could.
Oh, this
Oh
is
my
a,
God.
doing
You're not doing any damage to him.
He's doing extraordinarily good job. Fuck off! I can't.
Why wasn't this a mini boss? This guy's kicking your ass.
Oh my fucking god!
No!
Fuck off, Jesus Christ! I barely have any health now.
That guy destroyed you.
Oh god!
Do you
I have a plan.
Ah! Your minigun.
Ow! Okay, this is good then. They're all grouped.
He didn't do anything.
Okay, I wanted to teach them a lesson about spacing.
Nope. Now fuck.
Nah, I'm Optimus Prime. I can't die except for in the 80s movie.
And the new movies. And the new movies again. You also died during one of the other cartoons.
Armada. Actually, I did die in this cartoon.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
All the way back from this spectacular failure again.
Fuck off. I'll just... Bye, guys.
Excuse me, pardon me, coming through. We can't seem to attack him. His penis has some sort of protective shield.
It's Optimus Prime. That's what they call this schlong. Hi guys, bye guys. Don't worry, inspection, not up to code.
Still my bit. Yeah.
I mean, as long as I don't have to start arm wrestling as Optimus Prime, I think I'll be good.
Why? That'd be awesome. Can you fucking imagine if like the boss appears and you just bust out your fucking little table? Just come on.
There's a retarded little kid. I remember this level being far more confusing than it actually. What the stealth boys?
I mean, it's pretty much led you in a straight line to where you need to be.
Ooh, you hurt my feelings. Oh fuck, I'm not gonna fight any.
Oh, hey, look at the EMP1.
Off.
They keep just running in front of you. Just vehicle. No? You're
Oh.
out of energy. You got EMP'd, dude. Excuse me, coming through. Little mini con.
I don't know if this is the right way. Oh, that's a door.
It looks about right. I mean, that looks like a boss room. Too bad that that's not a thing.
Fuck off. Oh,
Operate. Oh, you can open the door. Oh?
What? What? Oh, I think I know what's going on.
Oh, you're lowering the elevator to another end. Are you?
What the fuck?
It's gonna pick you up. There's the elevator. Okay, yeah.
Bye, guys.
When they pick you up, like, this thing picked Optimus up. It's so pathetic. Oh, hey. Oh, the fucking EMP ones are cloaked now. Perfect. Oh, look, checkpoint. Rated activated.
What the fuck is that guy?
You know, for you picking, like... For you picking, like, the best minicons against this, apparently, these are pathetic.
Relatively best. These guys with the shields are fucking me up.
You just don't do anything to them. Like, you're slowly breaking down their shields, I
What the
think.
fuck's that guy? Ow, he fucking has a sword. Fuck off. I'm not dealing with this.
Established a remote connection to the warship's navigation systems and analyzed the data. Its final destination is Alaska. That must be the location of Megatron's base.
I like how this mission went from like, oh yeah, fucking plow through him to fuck.
What the fuck?
What? See ya. Alright.
Alright, time to fucking sabotage the ship and go to Alaska. I think I just passed out. Did I just get date raped by a ship?
Fucking tidal wave just date rape you.
And to one up the
There
previous
we
boss
go.
intro. You're saying every single one ups the other one.
No, I was just saying Starscream's one up Cyclonus's.
Yeah, and this one will one up star screens.
I just love the giant robes, giant fucking Transformers.
I love Tidal Wave. I am so sad he's barely been in any other Transformers stuff. He's a fucking aircraft carrier.
Recommend you take immediate cover. You have got to destroy him. Density scans reveal his body is heavily armored, but his head is vulnerable.
Sorry, try to do the fucking head with the laser gun.
Weapon.
No, I'm good. You can do this one. I
Really?
already kicked the other boss's asses.
See this? And he's not small. Like, they definitely get his scale up there. Like, fuck me.
Oh,
That's the water
damn.
that drowns us. And he's just like...
You know, that's actually a pretty big explosion for him to just ignore. That didn't do anything.
Oh, a fun part. Guess what? My yellow shield doesn't work against...
Oh my fucking god. What the fuck?
The yellow shields don't work against missiles.
You're like inching his health down.
Is that actually hitting him? I can't tell.
The laser? No. Everything has that zappy effect when you hit them with the laser. Oh, you don't want to just square off against him?
Not up on that island.
Is it easier to do it here?
Well, so yeah, he's
Oh my god. One of the most like iconic shots from this game is one of the is like the fucking Optimus facing off against Tidal Wave.
well, because it's like, hey, guess what? That level you were just in, it's the fucking boss.
Yeah.
Like, if that isn't the coolest idea ever, the entire level you were in is now the boss you're fighting. I don't know what the fuck is. I don't fucking know how I'm gonna approach this.
Well, you barely lost any health doing it the way you were. You should have just kept chipping him with the missiles.
Probably.
The island you were on was fine. It was acting as really good cover. That hit? No, you too far.
There's another missile. The blue missile launch is actually really good for this fight. So I might tag in and grab that one. Oh fuck, he has lasers.
Oh man.
Hey, can I get his warp? Fuck.
No, not in boss fights.
I don't really want to have to.
You're just gonna have to keep chipping. You've already taken off like a whole notch of his health just spamming the rockets.
He is a big boy.
Like I said, they seem to be pretty effective.
God, I really want to total this guy. Like, could you imagine like a fucking like Titan class Generations tidal wave?
Yeah.
Oh, he gave me the finger waggle.
Bruise.
He just gave me the finger waggle of doom.
Oh no. Fucking Shadow of the Colossus ass.
Could you imagine a Shadow of Colossus style game that's like based off Transformers?
You'd have to like, well, they would only be able to do like the mega fucking Transformers as of bosses.
Yeah.
Granted, a Shadow of the Colossus style game with the final boss being Unicron.
Yeah.
Oh! Although that would be an excuse to finally get Metroplex in literally anything.
Hmm.
Where's he going? He's just turning. Like you might, yeah, just have to throw the fight. Try and get a different weapon. You had it perfectly before. You've now just put you... Because you fucked around and made him run everywhere. You can't, like, reach him.
I don't know if it'll reset the boss fight at the... What the fuck? Whether it'll, like, yeah, do the boss fight.
Either way, oh fuck. That's all the time we have for today. See you in the next episode when I would say to make a say goodbye.
Yes.